This is the Ethem Bey Mosque, one of the oldest mosques in Tirana, or you can say one of the oldest mosques in Albania. It is a small mosque. It was built in 17th century by the Ottoman, and it is still can go inside and pray. The structure was very beautiful. There is a glass wall with arch. Ethem Bey Mosque, one of the most important building or structure in Tirana. This is the monument of crescent, arch, dome and minaret. This mosque is still serve Muslim to come here and pray. In communist time, there was religion banned in Albania, and Muslims not allowed to go inside the mosque and pray. In 19th century, it was reopened, and Muslim now can go and pray. I am inside Ethem Bey Mosque, and it's a small mosque, but it's so beautiful. You can see the walls, is painting on the walls, and also the tourists are allowed to come and visit and see the beauty of this mosque that was built in Ottoman time. Also display the Salah time, the 5 times Salah times you can also see here. I'm going to go inside the mosque. It's very small because in the dead time there was the only mosque and the population wasn't that huge. You can see it's Ottoman styles or Turkish style mosque. You can see the minbar here. And right in front of our there, this is for the imamat. So beautiful design. If you see, you will notice this minbar is made by wood, and this is very old wood. I think it is the original minbar when the mosque was built. Some place upside. So there's, I think this is for the women to go upstairs and they can pray over there. Oh, it is beautiful mosque. Small but so beautiful. A beautiful view of Ethem Mosque. In the evening time, the lights are lit inside the mosque, so it looks so beautiful. Tirana Mosque is small but absolutely stunning. It's just sit off the main square in the central. You are required to take off your shoes, and women are required to cover their heads to go inside. The interior walls and ceilings of the mosque are completely covered in colorful geometric design. Visiting the Ethem Bey Mosque in Tirana is a quick stop. You can't move around as the floor of the space is restricted to the worshippers. If you come here to pray Salah, you can visit in the main floor and you can walk around over there.